Welcome to this comprehensive road sign tutorial, designed to help you master 50 of the most important signs you'll encounter on the road. Each sign serves a specific purpose, whether it's guiding traffic flow, providing vital information, or ensuring safety for all road users. In this video, we'll explain the meaning behind each sign, why it matters, and how you should respond when you see it. Whether you're preparing for your driving test or simply aiming to stay sharp behind the wheel, this guide will strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence on the road. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more professional driving content. Let's get started. You are looking at the Yield the Right-of-Way sign, which serves as a directive for drivers to allow other vehicles or pedestrians to proceed first at an intersection or junction. It emphasizes the importance of caution and patience, as you should only continue once it is completely safe and clear. What you see is the maximum speed limit, 50 kilometers per hour sign, indicating that the fastest speed legally allowed on this stretch of road is 50 kilometers per hour. This regulation is enforced to promote safe driving. In front of you is the steep hill downwards ahead sign, alerting drivers to a significant downward slope ahead. This warning is crucial for maintaining vehicle control. Up ahead is the end of designated quiet lane in England sign, signaling the conclusion of a tranquil rural road intended for slower moving traffic, pedestrians, cyclists, and horses. Here is the drivers should keep a distance of 2 chevrons sign, guiding motorists to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front by using road markings. This is particularly essential on high-speed roads, as following too closely reduces reaction time. Which road sign does this describe? The correct answer is B, maximum speed limit, 50 kilometers per hour. Identify this road sign. That would be the end of designated quiet lane in England. What is the meaning of this road sign? This sign indicates C, yield the right of way. Coming into view is the no longer drive on the shoulder sign, warning that the paved shoulder is no longer available for driving or stopping ahead. Drivers must merge back into the main travel lane and should only use the shoulder in emergencies. You're approaching the uneven road sign, which informs drivers that the road surface ahead is irregular due to bumps, dips, or damaged pavement. Slowing down is advised to maintain vehicle stability and prevent discomfort or damage. Now you see the bike lane sign, indicating a designated lane for bicycles. Motorists should not drive or park in this lane and must yield sufficient space when overtaking cyclists, as this promotes safety and supports non-motorized transport. Before you is the vehicles exceeding a gross weight sign, which prohibits entry to vehicles over a specified weight limit. This restriction helps preserve road integrity and ensures bridges or narrow passages are not overloaded. You've reached the home zone sign, marking an area where pedestrian activities are prioritized and traffic calming measures are in place. Drivers must proceed at very low speeds and be highly alert for children playing, walkers, or cyclists. Visible ahead is the end of motorway regulations sign, which signifies the termination of rules specific to motorways. After this point, drivers are subject to general road laws, rather than the special conditions that apply on high-speed limited-access highways. The sign labeled New marks a recently introduced change in the road environment. This could indicate new traffic rules, a fresh detour, construction activity, or any update that drivers must adapt to while navigating the area. Name this road sign. Correct response: C, vehicles exceeding a gross weight. Which sign is shown here? The right answer is a no longer drive on the shoulder. What does this road sign indicate? This one is C. End of motorway regulations. What follows is the traffic light ahead sign, giving advance notice of a signal-controlled intersection. This allows drivers time to slow down and prepare to obey the upcoming light, enhancing safety at busy crossroads. Coming up is the reverse curve with crossroad right sign, which tells drivers to expect a rightward curve, followed immediately by a left turn, with a junction intersecting the bend. This complex configuration requires reduced speed and heightened attention. This is the Keep Right of Obstacles sign, reminding drivers that when they encounter obstructions, such as roadworks or islands, they should pass on the right-hand side to avoid the barrier safely. Ahead is the School Crosswalk sign, which warns drivers of a designated pedestrian crossing used by children near a school. Lower speeds and readiness to stop are vital in these zones to ensure student safety. The sign you see is the target for crossing gate, indicating the approach to a crossing where a physical gate may lower for trains or trams. Drivers should be alert for warnings and be ready to stop as required. Present here is the temporary speed advised of 50 miles per hour sign, which suggests a lower speed due to temporary hazards like roadworks or poor conditions. Though advisory, this limit should be observed to maximize safety. Up ahead is the straight ahead or right ahead sign, which instructs drivers that they may proceed straight or make a right turn at the intersection. A left turn is not permitted at this particular junction. Point out this road sign. It is a target for crossing gate. Which sign is this? This is C. Temporary speed advised of 50 miles per hour. What road sign is this? The correct choice is a reverse curve with crossroad, right. Here you have the All Movements Permitted sign, which communicates that all directional options, left, right, and straight, are allowed at the next intersection. This typically indicates a full access crossing without restrictions. This sign marks the entrance to a motorway service area, indicating a place where drivers can safely pull off the motorway to access facilities such as fuel stations, restaurants, restrooms, and rest areas. You are now approaching the No Littering sign, which serves as a reminder that disposing of trash or waste on the road or roadside is prohibited. Observing this rule helps maintain the cleanliness of the environment. This is the Crossbuck sign, commonly found at railroad crossings. It instructs drivers to slow down, look carefully both ways, and yield to any oncoming trains before crossing the tracks, as failing to do so can result in serious accidents. Ahead, you will see the School Speed Limit Ahead sign, signaling that a reduced speed zone is coming up near a school. Drivers must slow their vehicles considerably to protect children who may be walking or crossing the road in this sensitive area. You are nearing a light signals at a level crossing ahead sign, warning of a railway crossing equipped with traffic lights. Drivers should be prepared to stop when the lights flash and only proceed when it is safe. Can you identify this road sign? That sign is B. Entrance to a motorway service area. Name the sign shown. This represents a All Movements Permitted. What does this sign warn about? It means a school speed limit ahead. This sign indicates the presence of horse-drawn vehicle traffic. Drivers should reduce speed, maintain a safe distance, and pass these slower-moving vehicles cautiously to avoid startling the animals or causing unsafe situations. You are approaching a pedestrian push-button sign, which indicates a pedestrian crossing activated by a button. Drivers should be alert for pedestrians waiting to cross and prepared to stop when the crossing signals change. Ahead is the bump sign, warning of a raised section or bump on the road surface. It is advisable to reduce your speed to avoid vehicle discomfort and prevent potential damage to the suspension or tires. This is the docks sign, guiding drivers towards port or dock areas where ships load and unload goods. Those needing access for commercial or transportation purposes should follow the directions provided. You are near an equestrian sign, which alerts drivers that horseback riders may be on or near the road. It is important to slow down, pass carefully, and avoid sudden noises or movements that could frighten the horses. This sign indicates a zebra crossing, which is a specially marked pedestrian crossing where drivers are required to give way to people crossing the road. It is especially important to slow down and be vigilant in these areas, which are often located near schools or busy pedestrian zones. You are approaching the motor road sign, which designates a road primarily intended for motor vehicles only. Non-motorized traffic such as pedestrians, cyclists, or horse-drawn vehicles are not permitted. This is the no overtaking sign, which prohibits passing other vehicles in the designated area. Drivers must remain behind the vehicle in front to ensure safety, especially in places where road visibility is limited or where overtaking could be hazardous. Ahead is the farm vehicle sign, warning that slow-moving agricultural machinery like tractors or harvesters may be using the road. Drivers should be patient, reduce speed, and pass only when it is safe to do so. Which road sign matches this? You're looking at B equestrian. Identify the following sign. The correct answer is a no overtaking sign. What is indicated by this sign? That would be C pedestrian push button. This sign marks a no parking bike lane zone, indicating that vehicles are not allowed to park in the bicycle lane. Maintaining a clear lane is crucial for the safety of cyclists who rely on this space to travel without obstruction. You are near a bus parking sign, which identifies a designated area where buses can park, usually close to terminals or bus stops. Other vehicles should avoid using this space unless authorized. This sign warns of workers ahead, alerting drivers to road construction or maintenance crews working on or near the road. It is important to slow down, follow any temporary traffic controls, and remain alert to ensure the safety of workers. Here is the fasten seatbelt sign, reminding all vehicle occupants to secure their seatbelts. Wearing a seatbelt significantly reduces the risk of injury in the event of an accident and is often legally required. You are approaching a passing lane ahead, which indicates an additional lane where overtaking slower vehicles is permitted. Drivers should use this lane responsibly and allow faster traffic to pass safely. This is the pedestrians prohibited sign, which indicates that pedestrians are not allowed on the road or path ahead. This is often used on high-speed roads or other areas where pedestrian presence would be dangerous. This sign indicates a stop sign ahead, warning that there is an intersection controlled by a stop sign coming up. Drivers must be prepared to come to a complete stop and only proceed when the way is clear and it is safe to continue. You are approaching a snowmobile trail sign, which marks a designated path where snowmobiles may be crossing or traveling near the road. Drivers should be cautious, watch for these vehicles, and adjust their speed accordingly, especially in winter conditions. This is the roundabout ahead sign, indicating a circular intersection where traffic flows in one direction around a central island. Drivers must yield to vehicles already in the roundabout and carefully choose the correct lane before entering. Which sign is this indicating? The sign means a pedestrian's prohibited. It shows "See Bus Parking Sign." What does this sign mean? A passing lane ahead. You will see a no entry sign, meaning vehicles are prohibited from entering the road or area beyond this point. Drivers must find an alternative route, as proceeding further is not allowed for safety or regulatory reasons. This sign marks an exit from a highway or main road. Drivers should prepare to leave the current route by slowing down and following the indicated path to reach their destination or connect to another road. You are approaching a U.S. route marker, 2 digits, which identifies a numbered interstate or highway route within the United States. This sign helps drivers navigate long-distance travel by showing the specific highway number. This is a play street sign, designating an area where children are encouraged to play safely. Traffic is either prohibited or strictly limited, and drivers should be especially cautious and prepared to stop if necessary. You are near a water protection area sign, which indicates a zone where water quality is protected. Drivers must comply with any special regulations designed to prevent pollution and safeguard nearby lakes, rivers, or reservoirs. This sign shows a school bus stop ahead, alerting drivers that a school bus stop is coming up. Drivers should be ready to slow down or stop to allow children to safely board or exit the bus. Lastly, the falling rocks sign warns that the road ahead may have loose rocks or debris falling from cliffs or embankments. Drivers should reduce speed, stay alert, and be prepared to navigate around obstacles to maintain safety. And that brings us to the end of our detailed guide to 50 essential road signs. We hope this video has improved your understanding of what these signs mean and how to respond to them correctly in real-world driving situations. Whether you're preparing for your test or refreshing your knowledge, mastering these signs is key to driving safely and confidently. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more in-depth driving lessons. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay alert and drive responsibly.